Hi you guys, it's your friend Ballistic B, and this is the ECX RUCKUS RC, a 1/10 scale electric rear-wheel drive monster truck. And after swapping out the stock motor and ESC in our previous how-to video, we upgraded to a waterproof Gool RC 3900 kV motor with a 60 amp ESC and a 5000 milliamp 7.2 volt Venom battery. Then, this is the little monster we created. Alright guys, I'm out. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and check out our other content for how-tos, RCs, and gaming. But most importantly, please subscribe so you don't miss any of the how-tos, RC bashing, IRL shooting, and gaming action to come. Be safe, be fun, and believe.